Hey family, I'm just sitting here in the office and I thought to take a moment just to say something to you all about my experience yesterday. Yesterday was a powerful day. The Lord blessed in so many wonderful ways. It was a busy day at work, working with clients, and we had our marriage group session last night, and it was phenomenal. Literally, tears are being shed, people understanding forgiveness for the first time in a way they never heard it before. I mean, God was really, really blessing, right? And stick with me, watch this. God was really, really blessing. And, chains were being broken, right? People were being made free. Couples were falling more in love with one another. And we were grateful to God for that. But there was one thing I noticed throughout the day, and that was I missed my wife. I didn't get a chance to hang out with her much at all because the day was so busy. And so here it is that after the session, my wife and I got together to do something so simple. She was like, hey, I got to go to the grocery store. Do you want to come? And I'm like, absolutely. I'll take whatever I can get. And we're going to turn it into a little date. So here we are driving down the mountain, just talking, loving on one another, thanking God for many of his blessings, reflecting on the session, reflecting on our love for one another and God's goodness. And the next thing you know, as we get down to the end of the mountain and we get ready to jump on the highway, as soon as I get on the highway, I couldn't help but to notice this car behind me. And the car was going really fast. And the first thing in my mind was like, he's going to slow down. Like all cars know, you got to slow down because I'm in the slow lane. And I noticed he was not slowing down. In fact, he was going at the same exact speed of what I saw before. And before I could even realize, he's about to hit me. Next thing you know, all I had time to do was just grab my wheel with my wife by the side, and she was resting at that moment, and just brace myself for the hit. And he rammed right into the back of me. Hit us in the back of the car, knocked me off a little bit, had to get the car engaged, and then I pulled over to the side. And the long story short is my car suffered some damage, but it's still all right. My wife was fine, I'm fine, and it just showed clearly this person was in the wrong. They probably fell asleep at the wheel because it was just going way too fast when they hit me. And God just simply reminded me, son, it's just like that. It's just like that, that in the blink of an eye, that could have been a fatal accident. Just like that. This is the reason why Alexandra and I never go on the road without praying. You always pray. You ask for God. You ask for your protective angels to watch over you as you drive. You commit yourself afresh into God's hands because our lives are but a vapor. You just never know. And so here it is that I'm now sitting in my office. Again, my car's a little banged up. I'm sure the insurance will take care of all of that. That person's insurance, by the way, not my insurance. But nevertheless, I just wanted to take this moment to say, family, stop taking life for granted. Whoever you got to make peace with them. Whether it be your husband, whether it be your wife, whether it be your children, whether it be with your fellow man, you make peace with all of those who you currently know you don't have peace with because you just never know. And I just realized that here it is, I'm getting ready to go on my little grocery date with my wife, and it could have been the end of our lives, just like that. And so I just want to remind you that whatever it is you know to do, make sure you're doing it. If you have not submitted your life to Christ, please make sure you do that. If you know that you still have arguments and issues, that you're allowing all of this bitterness and anger and resentment to remain in your heart towards your husband or your wife, please settle those issues. If you got differences in your family, whatever it may be, y'all, please take the time to be reconciled one with another, because in just a moment, I now have another fresh reminder that our lives are but a vapor. We could be here and we can be gone. And I just want to thank God that I'm still here. I want to thank God that I'm still with you all. I want to thank God that I'm still with my wife, my children, and so on. And I'm still able to serve my fellow man. I am so bubbling over with thanksgiving. But I just wanted to simply give this quick little testimony just to remind you, make sure that you follow what the Bible says in Psalm 119 and verse 60. It says, I made haste and I delayed not to keep God's commandments. Whatever God is telling you to do, Make haste. Don't delay. Do it. God bless you, family. I'll be seeing you.